Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some miscellaneous case study in the chapter staffing. The question number second, a management expert was invited by the company. He gave a lecture in the meeting of employee, and main point of the lecture were employees should make all of efforts to increase their market value. To achieve this objective, they should increase their capacity and efficiency. They should also make such endeavor as to get the job satisfaction. Not only that, it is equally essential that they should concentrate on minimizing the accident. So, management expert hint at the functions of the management, which is the benefit both of the enterprise and employee. Identify it. The answer is according to the management expert hint as a functions of management which beneficial both for enterprises and employee is the training. Now question number third, Board of Director of Federal Limited has formulated a policy for human resources development. According to this policy, certain standards will have to be taken in consider prior to the appointment of person in the company. Some of the main standards are existing employee of the company should be motivated, selection should be riskless and should not need any inductions. So identify the sources of employment adopted by the Federal Limited. So here is the right answer is internal sources. Question number fourth, Puspanjali Private Limited is a renowned company and manufacturing a different kind of goods. Company is need of some employee. Mr. Subhas Katoria, HR managers, is key to select such person as well as equipped with the latest knowledge. He also desired that the area of selections should be extensively. In your opinion, which source of recruitment should be used for the HR manager? Here the right answer is external sources. Question number fifth, it is the custom of a company to avoid say no to any person who approach it for a job. Rather it get his application tell him that as and when the company required his service, he will be called. In this way, the company acquired a database. It advantage that at the time of the need, a suitable applicant of the database can be called for the interview. Thus, company is set for the Thus, the company for is set for expensive and advertisement. So, identify the sources of recruitment referred to in the above paragraph. The here is a casual caller. Next question, the Mr. Raghu Nathanias, Chief Executive Officer of GM Co. Limited, has got placed in a notice reading smoking is prohibited. Against the main wall of each wall has been office factory. Every employee obey this instruction. Human resource manager of a company has to be appointed of few sale officer. During the course of interview, an applicant was asked this question. Notice against the wall is a part of the basic function of the management. Identify it. Answer, it is the policy or selection process has reached the stage of medical examinations. So the right answer is the rule. And the next step of selection procedure after the medical examination is the job offer. Thank you.